Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Game Pro 232 and I'm here to show you how to make a pretty cool thing is a water walking potion. So yeah, not much explanation there. You don't even need water walking boots or lava waders. So you will need to make this thing, water walking potion, just to be clear. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 water leaf, and 1 shark fin. To make a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to make 2 bottles on a furnace. To fill those bottles with water, you stand in water, any deep, and craft it in the potion section. Water leaf grows on sand, like beaches, greenhouses, and deserts. Shark fins, I think we all know how to get that. You kill a shark, come on. So let's craft this thing. I apologize for the slowness of my crafting inventory. Alright, so there you have it. Consumable. Allows ability to walk on water and 5-minute duration. That's your water walking potion. You make it on an alchemy station. To make an alchemy station, you place an empty bottle on a workbench. That's how I'm able to make all my potions. So as you can see, I have no water walking abilities. I have my lava waders in my inventory, but I'm not equipped with them. So I drank the potion, and whoosh, I'm walking on water. And to get down, you just simply go down as if you're on a platform. Pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. This has been the Game Pro 232, and I'm out. See you later, folks. Oh, and also hit that bell.